making Mama cookstar.
Hello my friends! Last time we finished up page 1 from Cookstar, I guess, and now we're gonna continue with page 2 and start up with nothing because I have to change language.
Let's get started.
With Tyrol ice cream.
Let's get
Cool.
started. I'm getting hungry.
She talks too much. Make the ice cream. Add ingredients to the bowl with the button. Move left to stick to pour. On a stick to pour. Exactly. Beware the target weight will disappear quickly. Oh. 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 Is that a challenge? Was that a challenge?
Ready?
To
Get
me?
set, go.
Alright, remember the amounts. 180. That's good.
That's it.
Okay, then I have to add it like that. Okay,
Another
cool.
one.
225 cream. Oh, that's a lot more. 4, 5. Oh, whenever I push, it
Come
adds
on,
25
you can do it.
grams. There you go.
Wow. Here you go.
16 grams of sugar.
Hurry up.
1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, it's
Sugoya.
super easy because.
Almost done. Time's up.
Okay, now I figured it out. I promise it's super
Not
easy.
bad.
One push is a certain amount of grams, and like you are supposed to then get that gram left. Like push as many times as you want gram in there and then go left.
Let's go.
Does that make sense? Anyhow. Next step, combine ingredients. Follow the shown. So you cannot go wrong. That's what I mean. You just have to be pretty quick. Unlike me, who is like, okay, that's 25,
Ready?
50,
Get set,
75.
go.
Okay, never mind. Okay, what we are doing is mash those things, add our cream, sugar, whatever mixture, mash a little more, rotate, and now I do rotate, I don't
You can do it.
splash. Boom, 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 more. That's what they do in those street food videos. So that's how we
Perfect. Mama's impressed.
mashed strawberries into our cream mixture. Perfect. Spread in a pan. Move the cursor with the Joy-Con to spread the ingredients evenly. I think I can do that.
Ready? Get set, go.
Spread it everywhere.
Almost there.
Almost there. I didn't start. That's stupid.
I think you should have your own game.
And I think the steps should be a little more demanding, but alright. Freeze until firm. Remove the dish from the freezer at the correct time. Holy shit. The Thai ice cream is too easy.
Ready? Get set, go.
Chill it perfectly. Okay,
Don't give up.
we open it, we close it, and...
Hurry.
Oh, I have to start it! Oh, I have to start the freezer too. What the fuck is this freezer?
Whoa, you are the real hero.
Office praise. What is this freezer? A turbo freezer? Like a fryer? Does that
Let's
exist?
go.
What freak? Follow the shown gestures. Make the rolls. Oh, I like that part. It's so satisfying. Roll it up. Roll it up.
Set, go.
Up. Second up. Third up. Fourth up. Okay, perfect.
What in the what?
Oh, I have to press A2. 1 and 2, 3, 4, A. Cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, A. If I could have chosen, I would not have put in a strawberry, but vanilla. Oh well.
Looks delicious.
Thanks.
Mama's jelly.
I actually find that too. It looks pretty good. And now we are decorating it and stuff, but like, not a big
Let's
fan of
get
that.
it ready to
When did I
share.
make those? Okay, berry sauce. Okay, where do you guys want the berry sauce? Tell me. Let me do that. Here a piece, here a piece, here a piece, and here a piece. Always to the left of the center. Now we are having chocolate sauce all over the place. Yeah, actually. S-U-B. Subscribe now.
Wow!
This kitchen is actually good for that.
Thanks for the ground.
Okay, that's good.
Looks
Perfect.
delicious.
Perfect.
Awesome.
Perfect.
You are insta famous.
Subscribe now for Tyrol ice cream. If
Very
you want
nice.
like a real life cook-off with all these things, leave a comment and I might actually do that.
You got a new recipe.
Like, cook those things in real life. Would you like to see that? Vegetable terrine.
Let's go.
Clear gelatin makes everything
Here
prettier.
we go.
Slice vegetables. Move the Joy-Con in the direction of the cut to slice up the ingredients. Wow!
Ready?
What is a
Get
terrine actually?
set,
I never
go.
had or seen that. But, like, the way it looks already, I can't tell. I'm not gonna like it. Alright, screwed out things. In there. Perfect. Now we gotta cut more
Another
vegetables. Zucchini! There you go. I know someone who would like that. Off you
Here
go.
you go.
Carrots. Cut the top, bottom, and bum 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 all the way. Perfect. And I lost one. I lost. That's it.
Another
There it was. Green bell pepper. Perfect. And we removed the semen, whatever that is. The corn part, and we gently slide it all into the bowl.
Here you go.
One more, a yellow bell pepper. Sure, why not? Remove the
You
stings,
can do it.
cut the shit out of it, and fastly add it into the bowl. Perfect.
Last one.
And a red bell pepper too, just to add the coloration. And we swoop all the way in. Oh, we don't have to even swoop. Okay. Now I swoop the Joy-Con out of my hands
even
though.
better than mama.
Next step, roast vegetables. Set the temperature with the stick and start and stop baking at the correct time using the button. I think I'm getting pretty good at freezing, turbo freezing and frying stuff, so
Ready?
I'm
Get
confident here.
set, go.
I'm confident. Don't overcook
Come
it.
on, you
I
can do
would
it.
never overcook it. Open the oven tosser into the oven tosser, high temperature. Now I remembered it and we grill it perfectly. Wow!
Hooray! Mama's
I
impressed.
think I did a good job there. Next step, mix the gelatine. Woo, hold the Joy-Con vertically and move it into circular motion to stir the ingredients. Whatever you say, Mom.
Ready?
Set, let, go! Don't spill.
Almost
That
there.
means you don't have to be like super high speed quick. But I think that's a good speed.
Hurry up.
Okay, it's not a good speed.
Wow, slow down. Time's
Hurry up and slow down in the same sentence, bitch.
Piece of cake.
Get your motion straight. Layer vegetables. Place the ingredients in the same order shown. Okay. Hurry up.
Ready?
You're too
Get
fast.
set, go.
Oh, there was PMS bitching around. Watch for. Oh, fuck. Pepper, carrot, beet, zucchini. Pepper, carrot, beet, zucchini. Cool. So we are adding pepper,
Great
carrot, beet, zucchini.
Spectacular.
Yoo-hoo.
That's skill.
Think
Here you go.
beet, carrot, pepper, zucchini. Beet, carrot, pepper, zucchini. Woohoo! So we had beet,
Look at
carrots,
Don't
pepper,
give up.
zucchini.
Spectacular.
That looks
Just
ugly.
one more.
Alright, carrot, bell beet, zucchini. Carrot, bell beet, zucchini.
Hurry up.
Cool. We have carrot,
Great.
bell,
Great job.
beet, zucchini.
That's skill.
That's a skill. Even under time pressure. Suck that, mama.
Wonderful. Better than mama. Let's get started.
Cover with gelatin. Pour ingredients into the container using the button and fill it to the line shown. Don't pour too much. I pour what I like to pour.
Ready?
Okay.
Get set, go.
Pour the right amount. Okay. 8.
Almost there.
I think it's okay.
すごいね.
Arigato.
Another one.
Oh.
Amazing.
Oh.
Almost done.
It looks so ugly.
Perfect.
Can I overdo it? I think that's perfect.
Whoa, you are the real hero.
I like that. Oh, remove the dish from the freezer at the correct time. Oh, we proved ourselves already pretty good freezers.
Ready, get set, go!
So we are opening
can
it,
do it.
adding it, closing it, turning it on, and finish him on just the right time. 5 seconds power
Mama's
freeze.
impressed.
Awesome. Thanks, Mom.
I'm getting hungry.
Slice thinly. Move the Joy-Con in the direction of the cut to slice up the ingredients. Alright.
Ready, get
Set, go.
Come on, you can do it.
Boom, 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 boom. I just shake it. That's all. These are too easy. Come on, you can add
Hooray,
more
Mama's
steps than just
impressed.
shake a Joy-Con. Alright.
Let's get it ready to share.
What are those sauces? I didn't put any sauces on it. Oh, I can choose the way I want to present it. Oh, what's this? I like this most.
I love it.
I mean, I hate everything, but I like this most. Does that make sense? I think this is a picnic.
Take a photo of your dish.
Don't tell me what to do.
Perfect. Beautiful.
No filter. Hashtag no filter. And that's
Very
okay.
nice.
Many likes. Keep them likes coming.
Wabi sabi.
What did I screw up? Anyhow, we got a blue kerchief.
You got a new recipe.
Oh. But we don't care about the new recipe, do we? No, we care about fried fish.
Let's get cooking.
Fried fish or
Here
fish
we
and chips?
go.
What are we talking about here? Anyhow, I'm gonna do it. Make breadcrumbs.
Let's
Move the
get
Joy-Con
started.
side to side to grate ingredients. When the grater is clogged, move the Joy-Con to unclog it. I think we already had that. Sorry for having
Ready,
read it
get
once
set,
again.
go. No, that's too fast.
That's too fast. Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't want to hurt you. Okay. You and your teeth that are not able to pronounce R's. Okay.
You can
One
do
more shake. 2, 3 shakes. Alright. Never enough shakes, I guess.
it. Hurry up.
There you go. Why do they leave the end part of the bread? It's like the best part.
Wow, even better than Mama.
Anyhow. Prepare the trout. Ooh, follow the shown gestures. What is a trout? Is that a fish? Weird
Ready,
sounding fish.
get set, go.
Ooh. Cut
Careful.
up. Oh, I have to cut it like that. Okay, now slice it through. Spin it around. Slice it through from the back. Is that how you do it?
Don't give up.
Slice around. Go from the bottom. There's a lot of
Hurry.
wasted material on that fish.
Oh no, that
Oh,
can't
front
be
side.
right.
So much gone to waste from that fish. Follow the sun gestures. Okay, let's do this.
Ready, get set, go.
Oh, we have to coat it. Alright. Coat left and right. Cover it in flour. Come on, little fish. Cover it in egg yolk. And we cover it in the breadcrumbs, I think that is.
Looking good.
Thanks. Since we're frying fish, we're gonna need breadcrumbs, right? We want that little crispiness.
Come on, you can do it.
Okay, add those fresh breadcrumbs that we just grated before. And we're gonna make one hell of a fish without
Hurry.
chips. Are we making chips too? I didn't even see that. Hey,
Doing great.
I don't like the side to side movements. They are not accurate.
I think you should have your own game.
I think you should learn more catchphrases.
Ready, get, set, go!
Stop. Oh, and we make one beautiful spin. You want to make sure that we spread the butter very evenly. Look at that, very beautiful and nicely shaped. I missed a spot there, but apparently it was okay.
Wonderful.
How
Better than
nicely
Mom.
done. Follow the steps as they appear. Adjust the temperature with the stick, blah 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 blah. As we are
Ready,
repeating the steps, I'm not sure if we're
set,
supposed to be
go.
reading it all off, but okay. Low temperature stirring, high
Look at
temperature stirring. And now I know how to squish and not squish too much, just until, like,
Amazing.
on the left side. You saw that, I guess. You said that way better than I did. Squish,
Great.
unsquish. Flip the
That's it.
shit! Where's my fish? Oh, there's my fish. Squish!
Chill.
Medium! Woo!
Spectacular.
That's how you do it.
Wow.
Shake, shake more. And squish!
Look at that.
And
Perfect.
simmer it off on low heat. Look at that beautiful fish, perfectly fried. Finish your dish and share.
Let's get it ready to share.
Alright. Oh, I can have more fries. There's a good amount of fries.
Beautiful.
Mama's kitchen. Oh, I think a diner is best here. I didn't have any fancy food so far. But now
Show
we're
the
getting to
world your
those.
masterpiece.
There we go.
Look at that.
Actually, I want to filter. I like a vivid filter.
Awesome.
I want to add a sun here because the sun is shining and stuff. There we go. Now we're adding a... whatever that is.
Amazing.
No, we're not adding it because I bricked the wrong button. Again. Keep those likes coming.
Delicious.
Perfect dish.
You got a new recipe.
Awesome, but we're not gonna cook a new recipe. We're gonna hurry things up to maybe
Let's
finish even the
go.
page today. Who knows? For a pork shumai.
I'm getting hungry.
Whatever pork
Let's
shumai
get
is. Oh
started.
wait, it is steamed dim sum dumplings with pork. Dim sum.
Let's go.
It's dumplings. Move the Joy-Con in the right direction. Dice onions. We have to dice them this time, not just, you know, cut it.
Ready, get, set, go.
Cut front, cut back. We all know that part. Half it. Peel it off. There you go. Getting better at that. Cut it here, 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 here. Perfect. And sideways too. That's what I mean. One additional step to dice them. Woo-wee! Perfect. Next onion,
Last
please.
one.
Oh, green onions. I don't like
Almost
green onions.
there.
Well, I don't like onions whatsoever, so... Green onions, or Nikki, as we would say in Nihongo. Cool. And it's done.
Hooray, Mama's
Hooray.
impressed.
Mama's impressed. Mama is impressed. I like that. Grind the
I'm
pork.
getting
Spin the
hungry.
Joy-Con. Yeah. We had that done before, but we couldn't finish on time. Can we this
Ready?
time?
Get, set, go.
Don't spin too fast. You don't tell me.
Wow,
Ah,
so
that's too fast. Ah. Okay, I'm not spinning my hand in this speed. I'm spinning my hand at like doubling the speed.
Awesome.
I think I have to hurry up.
You can do it.
Try to find the perfect speed that is still acceptable
up.
for Mama,
You've got
but
it.
not too fast. I think it's not just the speed, but it's also the technique. Now you
Doing
spin it.
great.
That is okay to her or not.
Time's up.
Holy shit, that didn't work out quite as well. But okay,
Good.
2 stars, I
Mama's
take it.
happy for you.
Thanks, Mom. Add the filling ingredients. Whew. Damn, that's hard.
Ready, get,
Set, go. We have to eat the olive
Great
oil?
job.
Sesame oil, okay. That is, let me guess, olive oil. Hey, in here.
すごいね.
Soy sauce, that's what I meant.
Don't give up.
Onions, look, the
すごいね.
green dish, the green onions I meant, and last but not least,
Perfect.
the diced onions. Why would you add so many onions?
Great job.
The meat, sure, I get it, but the green onions and the onions.
Mama's impressed.
Why? Why would someone enjoy that? Need the filling. I think you were getting pretty good at that.
Ready?
I mean, we
Get
splooshed
set,
a lot in our first episode, I guess, but today I'm not gonna sploosh it all. Although I must say it's not entirely up to me because
Come
I
on,
like the
you can
spins
do
I
it.
do.
Oh,
I
no.
splooshed! I like
That's for you.
the things I do, but
That's it.
Mama
Hurry
doesn't
up.
like my spins.
Oof.
Neither does she
Just
like
the
my
way.
lefts, rights, spin.
Time's
That
up.
was a spin!
Wow, bravo.
I disappointed Mama again. Use a Joy-Con to follow the shown gestures. Oh man.
Ready? Get set, go.
Move quickly. You can tell me what to do. In here. Up.
Oh,
What? In. Up.
great.
Down. Oh, come on. To add a little P on
That's
top.
skill.
That's what it is.
Wow.
Up to wrap it. And
What are
what
you
the
doing?
frick?
Amazing.
What did I do wrong?
Shaking my head.
Up. Shaking my head. SMH. Yeah, that's what you're doing. Up.
Almost there.
Up. A little bit.
Oh my.
What? Up.
Perfect.
Down. Left. Up. Down.
Hurry up.
Left.
Great.
Up. Down.
Sugoine.
Sugoine. Left.
Spectacular.
Up. Down. I think I'm... What? What?
Time's up.
Distractions!
Well done.
Wow, I still made 2 stars. Start and stop the steamer at the correct timing. Steam the wontons. What is a wonton? Wontons are those dumplings.
Ready? Get set.
What's
go.
your timing? Watch your
You
mouth.
can do it.
Pour the shit in here. Aha, so you put water in?
Hurry.
Oh, that's how you do it. You pour water in, then the dumplings on top, so that's why... That's how they get steamed.
Wow, even better than Mama.
That's pretty good. Alright, I'm not gonna waste any time with decorating. I just mash A.
I
Mama's
love it.
kitchen, that's okay. Yeah, that's perfect. 8 likes, 8 likes, 25 likes. How many likes did you leave on my last video? Leave it in the comments.
Wabi-sabi.
Oh, that was my poorest dish, but I guess that's fair.
You got a new recipe.
Ooh! Now we're talking! Tonkatsu! Awesome, but what we are gonna do is a galaxy smoothie. Shall we do that already, or shall we do that next time? Yeah, we're gonna do that now. Let's do it a little longer episode. Oh,
Let's
sorry, I didn't read
go.
that. Out of this world fruits and
Let's
swirls.
get
Okay,
started.
use the Joy-Con to
Let's
shake
get cooking.
ingredients. I actually ever had a galaxy ice cream that was in Amsterdam, in the
Ready?
Netherlands. That was
Get
pretty cool,
set,
actually.
go.
A lot of... Yeah, I don't like the berries, so screw those. But there was not so much berries in there as more
Come on, you can do it.
coconut flavor. Did all my other strawberries go somewhere, or do I just shake it less or more gentle now? Whee! Perfect!
Well done.
Thanks. Make smoothie base. A smoothie, that is. I had an ice cream. Okay, maybe that's a difference. Maybe you put berries in the smoothies.
Get set,
Um,
go.
Soy sauce. Soy sauce.
Wow,
Vanilla extract. How is that the brown?
amazing.
Greek yogurt. Nice. What that
Don't get up.
is? Come on.
That's
Milk. Wee. And last but not
Look
least,
at that.
honey. I like that. I'm gonna recook that.
Looks delicious. Mama's jelly.
Hold the Joy-Con vertically and move it to a circular motion to stir the ingredients. Ooh.
Ready, get set, go!
Don't spill. Alright.
Come on, you can do it.
Oh, that's how. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Hurry up.
Oh, yeah, that's how you do it. Oh, yeah, look at that. Oh, yeah. Nice one. Nice one. Hold the button to blend the mixture. Move to the stick to the mixture to the lid. Oh, yeah, that's... Oh, yeah, we don't want... Oh, yeah, that's what... Oh. Frozen
Ready,
blueberries.
Get set, go!
Eh? Eh? How can I... Yeah, that's what I meant. Alright, so I have to first let it pop out and then in. Oh no, I can do that anytime. Okay, but I have to stop mixing to do that. I cannot do that simultaneously. Which is stupid. Yes! Work like a charm. Next one. Next step, come on, I don't have all time. Hold the bottom to blend the mixture. Move down on the stick to secure the lid. Again? Now we have the blueberry mixture, and now we're going to do the vanilla mixture, right? Frozen raspberries.
Ready, get set, go!
Down, and let down, and let down. Ooh, up, ooh. Look at that mixture!
Almost there.
Look how it's beautifully, nice and evenly mixed.
Hurry up.
Beautifully, nicely and evenly mixed. Perfect.
I think you should have your
My own game.
I'm
Follow the
getting
gestures,
hungry.
swirl it up. Ooh, now we're making it galaxy. So apparently there's different approaches
Ready,
on making galaxy
get
ice creams or
set,
smoothies,
go.
whatever, I don't mind. Alright, pour it in. Wait, pour it from the other side. Ooh, this side.
You can do it.
Why do we have three? One is blueberries, I get that.
Hurry.
One is blueberries, I get that. One is raspberries. What was the third one?
Wonderful. Better than Mama.
What was the third? Finish your dish and share. Okay. Dum dum da dum da 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 dum.
Let's get it ready this year.
Sprinkle! Sprinkle stars. Okay, that's it.
Wow.
This is for picnic. There you go.
Say cheese.
Strawberry. Filter. Hashtag no filter on this one. Hashtag no filter.
Awesome.
It's sunny outside, I guess. There you go. Next step. Explosion of tastes. There you go. Boom, 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 boom. It's shockingly good. There you go. One more. Or several more, actually. Yeah, it's a diamond.
Don't forget to tag Mama.
Whatever. That was good. That was good. That was okay. Did I do any
Good.
mistakes?
Mama's happy for you.
Oh, yeah. I did.
You got a new recipe.
Pokeball! Hey, Pokey. I don't think you're watching this, but hello. Anyways.
I'm getting hungry.
And Galaxy Smoothie, we're not gonna do that. We are gonna finish it off very quickly with a... Oh, my sister's gonna like that.
I'm getting
Avocado
hungry.
Toast.
Here we go.
Guacamole spread topped with
Let's
chilies.
get cooking.
Alright, prep the avocado. So the step is called prep the
Ready?
avocado.
Get
Cool.
set, go.
Cut it!
Oops.
No, oh, we don't cut it. We slice it. And rotate. Slice it from the other side.
Almost
Perfect.
there.
And remove the stone. So all your avocado chunkies, is that how you do it? What about the other half? Do you throw that away as
Whoa,
well?
You are the real hero.
Okay. I think we're gonna mash it now. Prepare the ingredient by pounding and make up sure to make already. Mash them avocado. Okay.
Ready? Get set,
Oh, there's
go.
many of those fuckers. Let's do here. Bam!
That's it.
And bam!
Great job.
And bam! I like that part.
Spectacular.
And la 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 la.
Cinema.
How can that be taking so long? Okay, sliced scallions and chilies. Let's do this. Let's do this.
Ready? Get set.
Let's do
go.
this. Sorry. Lime. Half it.
Another
That's
one.
it. Front and cut it into small, ugly rings. Alright, perfect. In here. Off you go. Perfect. Number 2. We have lime,
Here
green
you
onions,
go.
cilantro. Cilantro. What is that in German?
Come on, you can do it.
What is cilantro?
Just one more.
I think it's peterli. I'm not sure though. And that's the chili. We didn't want to Okay, I don't know. Mix the guacamole. Guacamole. Ole.
Ready? Get set. Go.
Don't spill.
Don't give
No.
up.
I would never spill. No, 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 no. But this time we're gonna be a little more faster than we have been before.
Hurry up.
Is there green onions in a guacamole? Really? Never seen that. At my house. Add salt and pepper. Shake until done. I'm gonna shake till
Ready?
tomorrow.
Get set.
Oh,
Go.
hell no. Shake. Stop, 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 stop. One direction, okay?
That's it.
Pepper. That's how you do it.
Such skill.
And paprika. Ooh. Finally something good.
Amazing. You
Awesome.
can do it.
Shake like a master. Oh, toast the bread. Oh right, we're making avocado toast.
Ready? Get set. Go.
Let me do that.
Don't give up.
Open it, close it. Medium temperature you want it? Sure, why not? And cook it till
Hurry.
golden brown. She says hurry, but we don't want to burn it. And we don't want to not burn it. You know what I mean? We want it to be even.
Ready? Get set.
Alright, spread
go.
this shit. Spread, 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 spread. I guess
Wow,
that's
even
all.
better than Mama.
Okay, but what happened to chilies? Oh, now they're coming.
Let's get it ready to share.
Okay, oh, how do we want to place that? That's helpful. Now we get this little rainbow gaze circle that helps me place my chilies. Can I write sub again? No, I cannot write subscribe. That's 2 chilies. That's 3 chilies here. Alright. On the other one, we are doing cilantro. Now we're going to put cilantro here as well, and here, and... Okay. The other one is going to be a lime mixture. Lime here, and here. Next we put a bit more of those here. One here. And flag goes right here. There you go. One here, one here. Nice.
I love it.
I know. This is a picnic food for me.
Fix or it didn't happen.
Okay, that's how you do it. Perfect. There we go. There we go. That's a good spot.
Great
That's a
photo.
good shot. I like bright.
Wow.
We're not gonna put any stickers on it because it's
Don't
perfect
forget
as it
to
is.
tag Mama.
From next time, I think I'm just gonna skip that part and go straight to the results. What? I didn't mess up anything? Woo! Yeah! I like that. We finished the whole page in around half an hour. It maybe have taken a little more time. But we made 2 perfect recipes, the fried fish and avocado toast. Next time we're gonna continue with chili con carne. Ay, 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 muy caliente. And I see you hopefully then too. See you around. Bye.